Okay, fáilte go ceacht daithid, speaking Irish lesson 40. Tá fáilte romh. You're all very welcome. Don't forget you can get me on patreon.com/speaking Irish if you want to support what I'm doing here. And of course, you really should start if you've happened on this by accident with lesson 1. And don't forget, use the pause button after I ask how do you say something. Pause the recording, say it out loud yourself, and then listen to my answer. And that's how you'll get the best progress out of this carefully structured program. Okay, we're going to start off by asking someone, would they like something? So, just 3 words. Would you like? How do you say that? Yeah. Waileat. Waileat. So let's build onto that and ask, would you like a pint of Guinness? Yep. Waileat pinta Guinness. Okay, very good. And the answer this time, perhaps unusually, is I wouldn't. How do you say that? Níor way. Níor way. And we're going to give a reason. We're going to say, I don't like that. Now you may remember back from about lesson 19, we did I don't like Belfast. Can you remember? Yeah. Ní mai lum Belfast. So our I don't like is ní mai lum. So how do you say I don't like Guinness? Ní mai lum Guinness. Yeah, ní mai lum Guinness. And how do you say I don't like that? Yeah, ní mai lum sin. Very good. And just take a moment to make sure you've got a clear distinction between níor way, I would not like, and ní mai, I do not like. Right? Say, I prefer water. Yeah, is far liom ishke. Can you say water is better than Guinness? Is far ishke na Guinness? Now, can you remember how to say and so or and therefore? Yeah, agus mar sin. Agus mar sin. So, say, water is better than Guinness. Is far ishke na Guinness. And therefore, agus mar sin, I would not like Guinness. Níor wailum Guinness. Thank you. Guramayagat. I would like a glass of water, please. Bhwailum glynne ishke lidahal. Very good. Can you remember how to say, I would prefer? Barlium. Barlium. So, ask again, would you like a pint of Guinness? Waileat pinta Guinness? Say, I wouldn't. I'd prefer a glass of water. Níor way. Barlium glynne ishke. Say, water is better than Guinness. Is far ishke na Guinness. And so, I would prefer a glass of water. Agus mar sin, barlium glynne ishke. Please. Lidahal. Very good. It's good to be polite. Now, ask again, would you like a pint of Guinness? Yep, waileat pinta Guinness. And say, I wouldn't. I'd rather a glass of water. Níor way. Barlium glynne ishke. This time we're going to ask, why? As if there's something wrong. But anyway, ask why. Cthege. Very good. Cthege. And say, well, I was in the pub last night. Well, bhí mé sa phub a réir, and I drank too much. Do you remember too much? Yeah, barriocht. Barriocht. It's from lesson 28. So, say, and I drank too much. Agus dul mé barriocht. And I have a hangover now. Agus tá páit orm inis. And I'd rather a glass of water. Agus barlium glynne isce. Say, water is better than Guinness. Is fearr isce na Guinness. Say, Belfast is better than Dublin. Yep, is fearr Belfaste na Ballyclia, in my opinion. In Mhúrn. Now, something we've been doing previously to emphasize, in my opinion, has been to add on s onto the end of the word. We're going to try something different this time. We're going to use the word hain, which gives the sense of in my own opinion, but it's also used for adding emphasis. So that way we can say, in Mhúrn hain. Right, let's try it again. This time we'll say, Belfast is better than Derry. Go on. Is fearr Belfaste na Derry, in my own opinion. In Mhúrn hain. Very good. Now, we're going to learn some more exclamations. And our first and best one, right, is Gaelphobal. Gaelphobal. Gaelphobal is God our Saviour, okay? And it's used as an equivalent to, like, oh my goodness, right? Gaelphobal. So just say it one more time. Gaelphobal. Very good. So someone has just said something outrageous. Like, for example, Derry is better than Belfast, in my opinion. Go on, how would you say that? Is fearr Derry na Belfaste in Mhúrn hain? And so obviously you want to respond, oh my goodness. Go on. Gaelphobal. And now we're going to say, that's not true. And we're going to say, ní fear sin. So not true that, okay? Do it one more time. Ní fear sin. Go on. Very good. So say again, oh my goodness. Gaelphobal. That's not true. Ní fear sin. Say, I don't like Derry. Yeah, ní mailam Derry. In my own opinion, Belfast is better than Derry. In Mhúrn hain is fearr Belfaste na Derry. Very good. Now, let's make another offer of drink. This time, would you like whiskey? Go on. Yeah. Arwailat ishkaba. Arwailat ishkaba. And I say, oh, no, I wouldn't. I don't like that. Yeah. Oh, near why. Ní mailm sin. Say, I prefer Guinness. Yep. Is fearr Guinness. Now, the next bit's a wee bit tricky. We're going to say, but I won't have a Guinness. And that's from, it was lesson 31 we did, I won't have. Can you remember? It's using the future tense. Yeah. Ní bheidh. Ní bheidh. And then you have to use ugam at the end as well to make it I won't have. So say, I won't have a Guinness. Ní bheidh Guinness ugam. So now say, I prefer Guinness, but I won't have a Guinness now. Is fearr Guinness ag ní bheidh Guinness agam inis? Say, I'll have a glass of water. Good. Bheidh glynne isce agam. Very good. Now say, and this is, we're going to put some complicated things together, but say, not I was in the pub last night, but rather say I was drinking last night. Yes, we did it before. Good. Bhí mé a gcóil a réir. Very good. Say again. I was drinking last night. Bhí mé a gcóil a réir, and I drank too much, and I have a hangover now. Agus dul mé baraíocht, agus tá páit orm inis. Say, and so I'll not have Guinness now. Think about it. Yeah. Mar sin, ní bheidh Guinness agam inis. And so I'll not have Guinness now. Mar sin, and so ní bheidh agam, I'll not have Guinness. So mar sin, ní bheidh Mar sin, ní bheidh Guinness agam inis. How would you say, and can you remember it's from the last lesson, it's not worth it? Yeah. Ní fiú é. Ní fiú é. Very good. Say, I'll not have whiskey. Ní bheidh uisce ba agam. It's not worth it. Ní fiú é. Can you remember how to say, I was drunk? That's from lesson 30. Yeah. Bhí mé ar meisce. Bhí mé ar meisce. So, ask again. Would you like whiskey? Or bhaile uisce ba? And say, I wouldn't. I don't like that. Níor bhaidh. Ní maithlumm sin. Say, I prefer Guinness, but I was drunk last night. Is fearr liom Guinness, ach bhí mé ar meisce a réir, and it's not worth it. Agus ní fiú é. I would prefer a glass of water now. Fearr liom uisce ba inis. Please. Le dahad. Very good. Okay, sin é inis. Slán.